Hello viewers, welcome to RK Keynotes. In this video, I'm going to explore virtual labs and MHRD Government of India initiative program. The objective of this program is to provide remote access to labs in various disciplines of science and engineering. Also to help students to learn basic and advanced concepts through remote experimentations. The main advantage of using virtual lab is it is accessible 24/7 anytime, anywhere and free of cost. Also the students can access through internet with PC or laptop or even through mobile phone. And this team has already developed over 100 virtual labs and which are ready to use. Let's explore this website. You have to log on to virtuallab.co.in and this is the home page. And objectives, features are given, and so these are all the different departments. These are all the participating institutes where they have developed simulated experiments and all. Let's explore computer science and engineering. I'm going to click here. It will be taking me to the computer science department, labs ready for use. You can see that different labs starting from HTML, soft computing, problem solving, data structures, AI, pattern recognition, computer architecture, software engineering, data structures, computer programming, speech signal processing, graphics lab, and linguistics. NLP is very useful for the researchers as well. And I'm gonna explore cryptography. I'm gonna click here. So these are all the experiments, list of experiments for this cryptography lab. So like this you'll be getting different experiments for different labs. You can check with this. And in the left side you can see that introduction, list of experiments, target audience, course alignment, prerequisite and feedback. For example, I'm gonna click here and then it will be taking me to this, and theory part is there. The student can go through all the theory part like this and they can understand the concept easily. And this is the experiment. All these experiments are simulated. For instance, I'm gonna encrypt this particular text and I'm gonna have this ciphertext. Alright, and what I do is I'll cut this one and let's see whether it is decrypting in the same manner or what. Yes, it is getting. So it is a kind of experiment where the student can encrypt and decrypt, so the student will understand what is happening and how these shifts are happening and all. Like this, the student can explore all other experiments and then they will understand the concept in an easy way. And also to self-assess, they can participate in the quizzes for each and every experiment. They have embedded a quiz. The quiz looks like this and the problem is this, and then they have to solve this so that they'll be getting the answer here. I'm going to explore a little bit on biotechnology and biomedical engineering department, and these are all the different experiments which they have listed here. And like they can simulate. For instance, I have choose this and these experiments are here, and this is a light microscope where they can select and they can experience these things, like they can do all these simulations and all. They can differentiate, and there are a lot of stuffs like this. The student can experiment all these things and they can understand in an easy way. Also, in this pandemic period, usage of physical laboratories are impossible. Virtual lab is really a useful stuff. Try this one and let me know your views and suggestions. Thank you.